Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a LG Smart TV and you want to know how to install apps. Very, very simple. So this is like a 2018 or 2019 LG Smart TV. Anyways, my remote here looks like this. First thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the home button right here. So click on the home button, and then this down here on the bottom will pop up. Now what you want to do is you want to keep sliding over. Let me focus in on here. You want to keep on going to where it says right here in the fuchsia, where it says LG Content Store, okay? And then go ahead and press on the OK button on your remote. And then from here, what you want to do, if you look on the top of the TV, you want to go all the way down to where it says apps. So let me go ahead and go up, up. Now I'm going to go right, 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 and here's apps. I'm going to go ahead and press on OK. Let that load. And now what I simply want to do is go over here on the left pane here, and I want to go down to, I can just go ahead and go to where it says all. So go ahead and click on the OK on the remote. And then from here, depending on what app you want, if you want like a game app, just go down here and then go ahead and press on OK and wait for that to load up. And then simply find the game that you want and download. Okay, I'll go ahead and download something. But you have entertainment, life education, news and info as well. Let me go to entertainment here. And I'm going to go ahead and download an app right now. And now you can see all the available apps on here. There's no way that you can actually search for an app. I just couldn't figure it out. I don't think there is a search option. You just have to go through all of them here. But let me find an app here that I want to download. And let's see here. Okay. Here we go. This F player here, free entertainment. I'm going to go ahead and download this. I'm going to go ahead and click on the OK button. It's highlighted right there. Let this like load. And then it says install right there. So simply just go ahead and click on OK. Wait for this to download. You can see right there. Now it's going to be installing. So give this a second. Okay, so we can go ahead and launch from here, but also now we have the F player already installed. So we go ahead and click on the home button here on the remote, and then it should be in there with our other apps. So if I go ahead and move down here, oops, and it's right here. So that new app I just downloaded, the F player, is right there. Let me focus in, as you can see there. So pretty simple. Any questions? Comment below. Thanks for watching.